Welcome everybody, it is Claudia with Patchwork with Claudia. Today we are working on the cells in the sunset block. To make this block we will need 7 squares 3.5 inches color A, 4 squares 4 inches color A, 2 squares 3.5 inches color B, 1 square 4 inches color B, 2 squares 4 inches color C, and 1 square 3 inches color D. Let's see how it works. We have here all pieces that we need for this block. The first thing we are going to do is the half square triangles. So we take 3 4-inch squares, the 3 4-inch squares color A, and we draw a diagonal line, and then from that line we measure a 1/4 of an inch and we draw a second line. On the outside lines we are going to sew, and on the middle line we are going to cut. Now we are taking 1 square A and we place to my 4-inch square color B. We line them to sew. We do the same process here. We take the 1 square color A with 1 square color C, and here the other square A with the other square color C. Now it's time to sew. First one is ready. We do the same with the other two. I already sew all 3. Now I need to cut, press, and open. I already pressed all 6 pieces. Now I need to trim them to get 3.5 inches around. Here is the first one. I need to do the same process with the other 5 pieces. These sections are ready. Now we need to work on the corner section, that is the sun. We take the 4-inch square color A. We are working on the wrong side of the fabric, and from the corner we are going to measure 2.5 inches, and we mark there. So 1, 2, 2.5 inches here, and then from the same corner down we measure 2.5 inches also. 1, 2.5. Now we take the compass and we place the compass on the corner. So we get this. Now we take the 3-inch square color D and we measure 2.5 inches from the corner and 2 3/4 inches, and we do the same down. 2.5 inches and 2 3/4. And now we are going to, with the compass, draw the round area. So I hold my fabric here and start moving the compass. Now I move the compass a little bigger to get on the 2 3/4 line and draw again. So this is what we have. We are going to cut on the outside line. And we are going to cut here just in the line that we did. Now we fold and mark the half, and we fold the little one also, mark. I'm going to help myself with pins. So always the small part goes on the top, so we are going to match this mark with the mark in the back. And we pin it. And now we are going to match the corners here, the outside line. And now on the other side. So remember, we draw here two lines. So on the other line that we have, we are going to sew around. It takes a little time to sew these curved lines, but we will see it that they will work well. So we organize the fabric, and while we are sewing, we need to organize the fabric. And let's start it. We stop, organize the fabric, and continue. It is a little more challenge to sew curves or round lines, but with practice we will get it. If that helps you to hold the fabric with more pins, you can do it. Here is the piece. Now I need to press getting this part up this way, and then we trim it. So here is already ironed. Now I need to trim it to get 3.5 inches around. Here is my piece. I have all sections ready. Now it is time to start assembling row by row. So let's start over here. We are going to use a 1/4 inch seam allowance. All rows are ready. Now it's time to press them to join them. Join my rows. I'm going to nest my seams. I'm going to help myself with pins. And let's start here. And now here. So organize very well. And join my seams. And then finally this side. And the same with these two. Now I need to join these two. So I am going to nest my seams again and continue sewing. Here is the block. We need to press and it will be done. Here is our ending block. It is 12.5 inches. I invite you to practice it, subscribe to my channel, share the videos and give me thumbs up. See you next time here in Patchwork with Claudia. Bye.